You may be a seasoned boarder with all the experience, or you might just be trying to raise a little one who dreams to be the next Tony Hawk. Skateboarding is hands down one of the great pastimes that engages you mentally and physically. Skateboard launch ramps, half pipes and quarter pipes are one of the best ways to bring the thrill of adventure sports right in your backyard, under the safe and secure environment of your home. Over the years, skateboard ramps have evolved from simple woodwork frames that were precariously set up and invited more danger than safe riding to ergonomically safe structures that help budding boarders to learn and experienced skaters to catch some high air. Number 3. 95 Markets pair of 6-foot skateboard quarter pipes, 38 inches tall. The best thing about having a pair of quarter pipes is that these are just the right ramps that help you catch some big air and hone your skills at your own pace, without throwing a really big disruption. You can essentially take 95 Markets pair of quarter pipes and place them next to each other or place them one in front of the other at a suitable distance and create your own mini track with having a good oscillation scope. Number 2. 95 Markets 3-foot mini halfpipe, 8 foot wide. When you unbox 95 Markets package for their 3-foot tall and 8-foot wide mini halfpipe, all you need is power drill for setting up this beauty. This mini ramp comes in perfect dimensions and suitable for everyday skateboarding and can easily be placed in your backyard. This brown wood finish beauty comes with easy-to-do instructions and can be set up in no time. Looking at their informative pictorial manual, all material used in this product is specially arranged keeping in mind the robust durability a halfpipe demands. Number 1. Fresh Park Combo Kit 1 complete skate park with 4 quarter pipes. Fresh Park's combo kit comes with 4 quarter pipes, a fun box, manual pad, 2 launch ramps and a grind rail and looks great in the black and steel finish. Fresh Park has listened to the growing market demand of delivering a versatile ramp that is able to deliver a different set of challenges and not just a one-track ramp. This has a wonderful interlocking design that allows for multiple park layouts that you can arrange on your own. You can connect the quarter pipes or you can set them facing each other, effectively having a half pipe also.